guys, I just want to share my EDC bag. Now this is way too big to EDC, in my opinion. It's a Combat UK medium Mali assault pack, a 40-litre bag. Now it is large, but take consideration, I was going to the gym, I have kids on the weekends, I don't want to keep switching bags, so I'm using the same bag all the time. And I've used this for about over a year now, and it's coming out really well. So I just want to dive into it real quick. You got Mali on the front here, and you got a nice large pocket here. I'll show you that in a minute. You got a morale patch spot there to put a nice little Punisher logo. A top small pocket. You have 3 compartments here, well, 3 entry points for a water bladder. You got 1, 2, and 3. I attached a little glow-in-the-dark stick here so I can see that and trip over it. And then you have, there's not much ventilation to the back bit, it's just a flat panel. You have little clips here for if you want to hang stuff off it. You have a chest strap there, and you can put a waist belt on it. It does come with one. I took mine off. And it has a little part there to put your identity or your name and stuff and what you put on it. Now, I'm just going to dive into it and start taking out stuff and show you what I carry with me every day. I got some lenses here, folks. I film on my camera, and if I'm out and about and I want to do a video, I have some extra lenses to use. I got my glasses. I got my meds. I have quite a few meds I take. Now, I have my Lansky legal knife. I use this at work. That's why I keep my legal knife with my ID and keys and other work stuff, so they're all together to show that I use it at work. I got a tactical pen from Prepper Shop. Got a normal pen. I got a small little mini pliers, like a multi-tool. Nail clipper, some SD cards, some more meds, and some tweezers. That's the top bit. The bottom bit, I got a little mini survival kit. I'll show you that in a second. I got some caffeine tablets. I have about 2 different external power packs for my battery, for my phone. Got some deodorant. Got some tea bags. And I got 1 hank of paracord. And I got bored and made a little paracord belt. And I just put 2 D-rings, which come with the bag, onto that, so I can like sling something if I wanted to. But my little survival kit here, I've actually forgot what's in it. Right, so I got some plastic bags for water or whatever I want to keep dry. Got an emergency whistle. I got the Summit survival kit, which is quite nice. I got another little kind of like a Swiss Army knife. I have a handcuff key, universal handcuff key. I have an afterbite treatment for insect bites or stings. And I have another one from Prepper Shop, which is a 3-in-1 knife sharpener, glass breaker, and fire steel. And in the Summit survival kit, you have a razor blade, some fire starter of cotton ball, some metal wire for snares, a signal mirror, a wire saw. I put in there a little wind-up torch. I got some water tablets, some fishing hooks, some sinkers, a lighter, some micro cordage, a button compass, safety pins. I made some tubes up of cotton ball and Vaseline and straws. There's a whole load of good stuff just in this one little kit. Health and safety instructions, like first aid manual kind of thing. But that stays in a dry case. And then on the side here, I just tacked on a first aid kit, which is, I'll take a little bit of it out, it's a bit redundant. I got Sudocrem, Dermaline, with ibuprofen gel, some hand sanitizer. I got a rat tourniquet, and I got various size first aid dressings, a mirror, a thermal blanket, triangular bandages, latex gloves, wipes, you know, the typical first aid box stuff. And I don't have a big trip around, but on the weekends I might go a bit further. Work's only about 15 minutes from my house, so it's not too bad. But it's a lot of the stuff I do dive into on the weekends with my kids. We might get bored, go to the woods, and then I already have enough stuff here to, you know, show them a few bits that they asked to learn. But a lot of the stuff, like if I leave my bag at home, if I just take my jumper, this is another Combat, I believe, jumper. Is it? Yeah, Combat UK. What I do is, it has pockets on the sleeves here. So this one has another phone charger and a set of house keys. This one has some more keys in it and a little kind of multi-tool in this. On the other side, where I show my nice UKSN patch. I got some store cards. I got a flashlight, a lighter. I got some more paracord. I'm gonna have a ferro rod inside of it. So I still have stuff with me, even if I don't bring my bag out or in my wallet. Alright, I was just packing it away and I forgot a few bits. On the inside, there's another little sleeve here, and inside of there I keep a map of my town, an SAS survival handbook, and a food for free book, and a plastic bag so they don't get wet. I forgot those bits. And also on the back over here, there's like a little Velcro bit, and in there I keep a small little tarp, so something to sit on with the kids if I'm out and about, or just calls for a tarp really. And I also have a rain cover for the bag, so I just want to add that bit in. So that's just, I want to share that with you guys. And I know the bag's a bit much, but then again, if you go into the gym, kids on the weekends, you end up carrying their stuff with you, so it all adds up in the end. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.